Hello, it's Livia, confidence coach at learnlivefly.com. Today I'm going to talk to you about your goals, your vision, your bucket list, these big things that you want to do in your life. And it's like, oh, where do I go from here? Go back, watch the other video about goals. That will totally help you out. But today I want to share with you a bit about mine and something super awesome that I made that helps me to remember and to feel that passion and that purpose and the joy of what it is that I'm creating. And I love it. So this is my heart and it's my dream, and I never thought I'd share this publicly. So hold it and cherish it, and no mean comments, okay? You can think what you want, you can have your own kind of dreams, but this is part of my soul and part of my heart and where I'm going and the things that bring me so much joy. And it just like gets me excited, fire inside of me in wanting to have these things in my life and to create them. And that's part of what I'm working for. So I have vision books, I have vision boards, I have vision boxes, I have pictures and all these things, videos on my phone, things that inspire me and like light up that passion inside of me and my life story and my sacred story and my life vision and all these things. And I love that because it helps me to remember who I am, where I'm going, and the purpose that God has for me, because those are the seeds and the desires that have been planted in my heart. So I decided a couple years ago that I wanted to have something tangible where it was easy and I could see this grand vision really quickly all together. And being a photographer and a graphic designer, I turned it into a book. So this is my vision book, this gorgeous painting done by the fabulous Darlene Myers. It's a 16 by 20 in my room, and it's just beautiful. And so this is my vision of Hawaii. I'm gonna take my kids there, my whole family there one day, all together, and we're just gonna have this amazing. They've always wanted to go to Mount Mauna Loa since they were little, right? Everybody else goes to Hawaii for the beach, we go for the volcano, but it's gonna be fun. Okay, so I'm just gonna walk you through kind of how I did this. So I made this fun little word cloud of this is who I am. Look at that, I love it. And I can just say that as my declaration. I can just pick it up and I can read it. So if I go on vacation or wherever, I can take this book with me and I have my vision all together. And I can say, I am Livia, live in abundance, I am an inspiration, I am a healer, I am a creator, I am faithful, I am prosperous, I am grateful, I am an author, I am full of energy, I am mindful, I ask and I receive, I serve and I grow, and all these things. And so all the words that resonated with me, I put in this word cloud. And then I have mixed pictures with my, okay, so there's one about my family being confident. It says, my family is strong, connected, and confident. Love that. Okay, and then, so on each page I used words and I used pictures. So I'm engaging my senses. I have my eyes are seeing it, my mouth is saying it, and as I'm experiencing this, I'm imagining what it's like, and so I'm feeling it. And when you mix them all together, it just creates miracles, and it's fabulous. So this one says, I choose to live, serve, strengthen, and heal. I love unconditionally, and I choose to be even as He is. Angels assist, and miracles materialize. So there we go. And I love, those are some of the pictures that I just love. Love, love, love. And then I have a picture of my awesome board. So I have a poster board in my room that I created of things that I was going for. And then just being peaceful. Love being peaceful. So I put in pictures that inspire me for who I am and who I want to be and how I want to be. And then I have all my family with these little decorations and massage, because I do aroma touch. And so I love that connection with people and being able to help and serve them that way. Okay, and then I have pictures here. I want to learn to play the piano. It's my license plate. I can fly, which is awesome. And my pot, because I want to learn how to do pottery. And then peace and creation. I put, I am peaceful, calm, and connected. I trust and I gratefully receive all that I need. Oh, and this is my little outline of me with all the words that describe me in it. And then I really want to do, I love serving. I love service. So I have a lot of like humanitarian stuff in there that I want to do. Some of my friends are in those pictures. And then being prepared and serving. So like prepared for any emergency, prepared because I want to serve missions and I want to sponsor missionaries where every month I have the resources to be able to sponsor someone who couldn't pay for their own, and to help mentor them and help them be emotionally strong and come out even stronger as well through the process. And then my creative sanctuary. Oh, this is like in my heart. I know it's like totally created spiritually. It's coming out. To create a place with like little cottages and stuff where people can come and create. And then different pictures of like the house things that inspire me, and little waterfalls and things. And adventuring. I want to do lots of adventuring and seeing and exploring the world and doing super awesome things. And I experience God's creations. So just the peaceful, calm ones where you're seeing God in his light and in his majesty and all the amazing things that he's created for us. I just love it. And I create epic memories. Things that are like, wow, I'll never forget that. And deep, lasting connections with my family and with others as well. And there's more things that I want to do. I just found a bunch of pictures that I loved that inspired me, and I put them all in this book. And it reminds me of what I want and what I'm creating and the joy and the passion within me and the purpose for all of it. Because the purpose of everything that I do is to strengthen my family and to fulfill the mission that God has for me. And these are the things that are written on my heart. So I encourage you to make a compilation of pictures, of words, of the things that are written on your heart. What are the things that you're feeling called to and the things that you want? And go forth and go towards them, even if it's baby steps at a time, and it will happen all in the right timing, and all will be well. Thanks. Bye.